voyager,
means to travel. In this video, we will learn the verb to travel in the present tense and its conjugation with the subject pronouns. Hello and welcome back to your own French learning channel. Learn French with Di.Vi.
voyager,
Is a regular verb and it follows the same pattern, but with some slight variation that we already learned in earlier lesson. For sake of revision, I am repeating one more time. In order to keep the sound of
je,
we add an extra e in the first person plural subject pronoun.
nous,
Let's conjugate it in the present tense using this pattern. I travel.
je voyage,
You travel, informal way.
tu voyages,
He travels, masculine.
il voyage,
She travels, feminine.
elle voyage,
We travel, or one travels, informal way.
on voyage,
We travel, formal way.
nous voyageons,
You travel, formal way.
vous voyagez,
They travel, group of males or mixed people.
il voyage,
They travel, group of only females.
elle voyage. Voyager,
Is a versatile verb and can be used in different contexts to express the act of traveling. It is a fundamental word in French vocabulary, especially given the importance of travel and exploration in various aspects of life. Let's use these conjugations and build some sentences. For now, just concentrate on the verb conjugation. Building sentences will be taught in subsequent lessons. I travel by train.
je voyage en train. Je voyage en train.
You travel a lot.
Tu voyages beaucoup. Tu voyages beaucoup.
He travels for business.
Il voyage pour affaires. Il voyage pour affaires.
She travels with her friends.
Elle voyage avec ses amis. Elle voyage avec ses amis.
We travel with our friends.
On voyage avec nos amis. On voyage avec nos amis.
You travel with your family.
Vous voyagez avec votre famille. Vous voyagez avec votre famille.
We travel by car.
Nous voyageons en voiture. Nous voyageons en voiture.
They travel around the world.
Ils voyagent autour du monde. Ils voyagent autour du monde.
They travel for pleasure.
Elle voyage pour le plaisir. Elle voyage pour le plaisir.
Let's repeat the conjugation one more time. If you are following my videos regularly, you will be aware of this subject pronoun table. I travel.
Je voyage.
You travel.
Tu voyages.
He travels.
Il voyage.
She travels.
Elle voyage.
We travel, or one travels.
On voyage.
We travel.
Nous voyageons.
You travel.
Vous voyagez.
They travel.
Il voyage.
They travel.
Elle voyage.
Some other verbs that follow the same pattern are listed below. In subsequent lessons, we will be learning about building the vocabulary and sentences. Till then, please keep practicing. Goodbye for now, and see you in next video. Thank you for tuning in and watching the video. If you enjoyed it, please don't forget to hit the like button. Subscribe to our channel for more such training videos and share this video with your friends and family.